With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, which of the following statements is true about hydrogen bonding? Let us see here. First is chlorine and nitrogen have comparable electron activities, yet there is no hydrogen bonding in HCl because the size of chlorine is large here. Let us see. There are some limitations to form hydrogen bond for a molecule. First is atom must be of second period, means the size of atom should be small. Okay. Second is why it should be small, as we know that as we move down the group, size of atom increases, means covalent character also increases here. Okay, that's why size of atom should be small here. Electronegativity of the atom must be 3 or more than 3. Now let us see option here. Chlorine and nitrogen have comparable electron activities, yet there is no hydrogen bonding in HCl because size of chlorine is large. It follows the second condition, but the size of chlorine is large. That's why some covalent character also present in chlorine. So this is the reason HCl has not any hydrogen bonding. So option 1 is true statement. So option 1 is correct. Let us see option 2, which is intermolecular hydrogen bonding results in decrease in melting and boiling point. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding present between two different molecules, okay, like ROH alcohol and water molecule. This is in this intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present. So it doesn't decreases the melting and boiling point. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding decreases melting and boiling point. So from here we can say that option 2 is not true statement. This is not correct. Let us see option 3. Ice has maximum density at 0 degrees Celsius. This is not correct because ice has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. During ice phase of water, hydrogen bond form a cage-like structure. Hence, it occupies large volume. Large volume. As temperature increases to 4 degrees Celsius, hydrogen bonds are broken, hence volume decreases and density increases. When temperature increases further, molecular repulsion increases, hence volume. Okay, therefore water has its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. So option 3 is also not correct. This is not true statement. Let us see option 4, which is KHCl2 exists but KHF2 doesn't exist due to lack of hydrogen bonding in HCl. This is not correct because KHCl2 doesn't exist here. It doesn't exist here. And KHCl2, it exists. Okay. It exists KHF2. Due to hydrogen bonding in HCl, HF, we have HF, HF, HF. Due to hydrogen bonding in hydrogen fluoride, this is here hydrogen bonding is present. This is hydrogen bonding. This can dissociate to give HF2 negative ion and KHF2 exists, but there is no hydrogen bonding in HCl, so HCl2 negative doesn't exist. So this statement is not true, so this option is not correct. So option 1 is the correct answer of this question. It is the true statement about hydrogen bonding.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.